Welcome back from Graphic Extras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use displacement maps and basically a very simple square and convert that into quite an interesting painted design using the oil paint feature. Right, just going to go over now to, I'm using CC, but same basic approach for most versions. So I'm just going to select that. Create that, add a stroke quickly, just set it out a bit, and I'm just going to flatten it. Now of course the one thing you can't do in earlier versions is the stroke feature, but of course you can quickly create a stroke very easily using a selection. But right, done that now, I'm just going to move that out of the way, and next thing to do is actually use filter, distort, displace. And I'm using 60 and 60 for the scale, stretch to fit, wrap around. Click OK. And I'm just going to use just any displacement map. And this one, there, open. Now the displacement maps are from Graphic Extras. They're pack 15, but of course you can use many other displacement maps, and you can quickly create your own displacement maps as well. Right, what I'm going to do now is just going to reapply it a couple of times. Right, a few times, more than a few times. And another thing with these displacement maps, once you've actually applied it, say like that, you can also just go to image rotation, just turn it around. Of course you could go and into the displace filter and reset the direction for the displacement, but I'm just going to do a quick image rotation. Going to rotate it again, image rotation, and I'm just going to quickly apply it a few more times. Of course you can apply this multiple times. Right, at that point I'm going to stop and I'm going to go to the oil paint feature now. So just over here, oil paint. Straight away you've got well, you can actually still quite see the displacement map, the lines of the displacement map, but you can see straight away the way the paint is swirling around there. And I'm just going to modify that, just click OK, and I'm going to go back into the oil paint. Now you could just keep applying the oil paint numerous times, but I quite like to tweak the different settings of bristles, stylization, so I'm happy with the click OK, or as I say, you can just keep applying. And you will actually see it start to get very deep, and you can still see the displacement just there, but it creates wonderful knotted sort of paint effects from any displacement map, which of course now you could use as a background overlay as well as another element in any imagery. Anyway, hope you found this tutorial of interest. Please subscribe to my video channel, and maybe visit graphicextras.com for many different displacement maps. Anyway, thank you much.